fix Warzone Pacific not launching or loading issue on Windows. 1. Ensure your system matches with minimum requirement of the Warzone Pacific app. 2. Allow the game through Windows. Defender firewall. 3. Use game mode. 4. Run the game as administrator, like this. 5. Rebuild the game files via battle.net. Agent. 6. For Steam players, verify the integrity of Warzone Pacific. 7. Download the latest graphics card driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 8. Remove and reinstall the game.